Welcome to Crypto Trend Update. My name is Trent. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 tokens that I am currently accumulating right now, which I believe has the potential to do 5 to 10x in the next bull market, alongside the current market condition and also what I'm currently expecting from the market in the next 2 to 3 months. So make sure you smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video to the end. Now, taking a look at BNB here on the weekly time frame, we are currently holding above this massive level of support here, sitting at $552 to $508, and this has been a major key level of support in the past few years. Like if you take a look at it here back in 2024, this acted as a major key level of support. Now right now here we are back into the level which is holding right now. And also if we take a look at the past price action of the BNB and also why I am accumulating it on spot, you can see after each bear market we do see 5 to 10x from the BNB smart chain token. Like for example here back in 2018 we had 78% drop down on the bear market, and after 2018 come into 2019 bull market, which it went up 784%. This is more than 5x already. Then come to the bear market of 2020 during the COVID-19. We had another major drop down of 82% approximately, and after that we had a major run up here back in 2021 bull market. We had a major rally of 10,398%. This is massive, a major uptrend of 10,000%. So this is one of the reasons that I am currently accumulating BNB right now. And also it's a Binance exchange token, and each quarter Binance do burn the supply in order to reduce it, and you know, the lower the supply the higher the price. So currently this is one of the reasons why I am accumulating the BNB token right now. And taking a look at it here on the 2022 bear market, we had 71% drop down after this 10,000% rally, and we have 71% drop down. Now taking a look at it here back in 2024, when the bear market ended in 2023 here September, we had a major rally of 549%. This is more than 5x already. This is more than 5x already. And right now in this current market condition, in this bear market we are right now, we can see it has already had a drop down of 58% approximately. And right now we are testing this key major level of support that has been heading us since 2024. So this is why I am currently accumulating right now, because after each bear market it always does 5 to 10x in prices. Now as long as we hold above this level of support here, I am highly bullish on the BNB smart token. This is not for promotional purpose. I'm just telling you what I'm currently doing right now in this bear market. Now if we hold above this key level of support here, I'm expecting BNB to have at least 5x rally from this level here. Now if we take a look at Tao here, which is the second on the list, Tao is an AI token, and if we take a look at the fundamental aspect of it, the total supply of the Tao token here is mimicking the current supply of Bitcoin. September to November 2025, it had its first halving, and the total supply currently sits at 21 million tokens. And every 4 years, just like BTC, it will be going into a halving cycle. And currently now I am highly bullish on this token because one, total supply is just 21 million, just like Bitcoin. And also you can see that in this era right now we are in an era of AI, and this is AI token that power the heart of AI. So I'm highly bullish right here right now. And currently you can also see we are holding above this massive support level here on the weekly time frame, sitting at $216 to $162 approximately. So I'm currently accumulating right now, and if we get into more lower prices, I'm still going to accumulate because I believe that this token is going to do 10 to 20x in the next bull market. And as long as we are holding above this key level of support right now, we are going to see a massive rally coming from Tao. Now the third on the list here is Solana token. Currently we are holding above this massive level of support here, sitting at $84 to $78. I have been talking about Solana on this channel, and I have started accumulating Solana right on this level, and if we get more lower prices, I'm still going to accumulate because I believe Solana is going to do well in the next bull market. And currently, as long as we are holding above this level of support here, we might come and test this high level here, sitting at the $102, and also this massive level of resistance here, sitting at $128 to $122. Now, if we shift our focus here to the Bitcoin price chart and also what is currently happening on the crypto market, you see yesterday the Supreme Court has put an end to Donald Trump tariff, and currently the US is now facing $150 billion in tariff refund. After this news came out, Donald Trump said since the Supreme Court ruled against his own tariff, is going to impose a global 10% on a global 10% tariff on all countries, which is currently working on right now. Now, if we take a look at BTC here on the weekly time frame, you can see currently we are still having this bearish divergence, which has been playing out for quite a while now. And as long as it is still active, we are going to see BTC always hitting to more lower prices. But currently, what is taking my attention right now is this RSI here on the weekly, which is already below the oversold level, because back in 2022 bear market, when we saw the RSI being below this oversold level, this is when the bottom of the bear market was formed back in 2022. So currently, that is what I am looking for, and I'm waiting for here on the weekly time frame, looking for is either a bullish divergence or a kind of price pattern that can invalidate this bearish divergence here. So with that being said, if we take a look at BTC here on the daily time frame, taking a look at BTC on the daily time frame here, you can see we are still below this level of resistance here, sitting at 68k level to 73k level, which I'll be talking about on this channel. And as long as we are below this key level of resistance here, we might see BTC coming down to take this current liquidity that is sitting at the 62k level and also this 60k level. So this is what is currently happening on the Bitcoin market on the daily time frame. I'm not going to spend much time here because I'll be talking about this level on this channel. Now, if we take a look at ETH here on the daily time frame, you see currently that in the past 1 day, nothing has really changed much here on the ETH daily price chart. We are still below this key level of resistance here, which we will be talking about on this channel, sitting at $2,095 to $2,016. And as long as we are below this key level of resistance here, ETH might come to test this key level of liquidity here, sitting at $1,800 level, and also this level here sitting at $1,750 level. So these are the level which I think, since we are unable to break above this key level of resistance here now, we might come to test these lower prices. So this is what I'm currently seeing on the ETH price chart. So no more chance really change. Now, if we take a look at EDA here, we are still above this key level of support here, sitting at the 25 cent to 22 cent. And yesterday we had a little bit of rally, about 4% from the daily candle, which is impressive. And I can see that ETH is about to kick off its bullish rally. In order, its bullish rally to test this major key level of resistance here on this descending channel. And like I said in my previous video, I'm currently accumulating AD, and right now I am already up 4% since I started the accumulation of ADA. Now, taking a look at XRP here, since no much has changed on the ADA price chart on the weekly time frame, you can see in the past 1 day no much has changed. We are still holding above this key level of support here, which I have been talking about on this channel. It's sitting at $1.41 to $1.31, and as long as we are above this level, XRP is pretty strong and solid for the long term. With that being said, this has brought us to the end of today's video. If you find this video very useful and informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit up the like button so that when I make videos like this, you will definitely be notified.